Welcome, an initiative by Kikewa College of Horticulture, Nasik, from Department of Soil Science. I, the Professor Ines Gogre, will going to deliver an audio-visual learning for students on topic.
Then we study the role and deficiency toxicity symptoms of manganese. What is the role of manganese? Required for chlorophyll synthesis. And magnesium is involved in synthesis of chlorophyll. It is required for chlorophyll synthesis, manganese. Photoevolution, photoevolution during photosynthesis. It is activator of some enzymes. Deficiency symptoms. Motile fluorosis between main veins of new leaves. That is motile fluorosis. That is motile fluorosis can be presented in pictorial form later. That is similar to near epichlorosis. Then what are the different toxicity symptoms of manganese? That is chlorosis on new growth with small neurus and dark spots. There is a toxicity of manganese because it is involved in chlorophyll synthesis. Excess of manganese causes chlorosis on new growth with higher dark patches. Usually deficiency occurs at high pH and toxicity occurs at lower pH. For correction measures, we add certain fertilizers that is termed as manganese sulfate, that is MnSSO, MnEDT, that is manganese chelate used for high pH soils. This role of manganese deficiency and toxicity symptoms and correction measures respectively. For then second macronutrient is boron. The role of boron is involved in carbohydrate metabolism, essential for flowering, pollen germination, and nitrogen metabolism. Deficiency is marked on new growth in distorted and malformed patches. Flowering and fruit set gets depressed. Roots and tubers get distorted. Toxicity. Quick dieback, fruit splitting, leaf edges gets burned. These are certain toxicity symptoms of boron. Deficiency of boron causes cracking in pomegranate. It is a typical disorder of boron. So to overcome the deficiency of boron, we need to add certain borax and calcium borate. Then another macronutrient is zinc. The role of zinc, that is, it is involved in protein synthesis, RAA synthesis, that is indole acetic acid synthesis. What are the deficiencies in terms of zinc? Usually occurs in calcareous soil in high pH. It produces certain growth suppressions, reduced internode lengths, rosetting, bush type appearance. Rosetting is known as bush type appearance. Intervinal fluorosis on younger leaves because zinc is almost immobile in tissue. What are toxicity symptoms of zinc? Occurs at low pH. Growth reduction and leaf fluorosis are typical toxicity symptoms of zinc. We can see the deficiency symptoms according to concentration in millimolar variable. Okay. The next micronutrient, that is molybdenum. The role of molybdenum is required for nitrate reductase activities and vitamin synthesis. What is nitrate reductase? Is conversion of nitrate form into amide form. That is, converted forms get converted by activity of nitrate reductase bacteria into NH2 form. Root nodule bacteria also requires molybdenum. So what are the deficiency symptoms? Pale green color of leaves, curved young leaves because molybdenum is also immobile in nature, trap leaf and broadleaf plants usually occurs at low pH. Toxicity of molybdenum. Fluoresces with orange color pigmentation is a specific toxicity symptoms of molybdenum use. For correction of deficiency symptoms of molybdenum, we need to add sodium molybdate as a fertilizer. Then next micronutrient is the copper. What is the role of copper? Essential component of several enzymes required in chlorophyll synthesis. Then carbohydrate metabolism. Deficiency causes rosette growth or witch's broom-like appearance. Deficiency causes rosette type growth or witch's broom-like appearance. Toxicity usually chlorosis, and for correction of deficiency, rosette or witch's broom-like appearance, we need to add a certain fertilizer that is known as a copper sulfate. Then chlorine. It is involved for a role of chlorine is it is involved in photosynthesis or oxygen revolution. Then deficiency normally not existing, only experimentally include. Normally deficiency not existing. Toxicity. Leaf margin chlorosis, necrosis on leaves are typical toxicity symptoms of chlorine. Fertilizer. For chlorine, we never applied any fertilizer. Chlorine is so that's why chlorine is known as a ubiquitous. Molybdenum deficiency produces Vitel in cauliflower, particularly Vitel in cauliflower. Okay, that's it. It is all about role, deficiency symptoms, toxicity symptoms, and correction measures and pictorial representation of deficiency of micronutrients. Thank you so much.